seen in a design. You know, case in point that that pedestrian bridge inside the hotel. Was it in Kansas or someplace? Yeah, it was just somebody decided to change the connection that is supporting one of the connections supporting that bridge, and created an offset in the connection. The offset created moment on it. And we try to tell our students how to feel things, how to feel that twisting, the bending moment or twisting moment on the material. It's real. And once the stresses are beyond what the factor of safety is provided for, things fail. That changes codes, building codes, changes whatever we do for quality assurance, because we don't work alone. We, engineers have to work with all sorts of professions in order to make things happen. And so, true. Failure, like the spectacular failure that we have seen.
Glad we could be of assistance in the next year that
I would not have had that opportunity to talk about that you provided the platform for me. But so students can also add that to the package if you want.
All right, we're going to let you. We have a couple minutes. The LEGO folks are just finishing up their builds, hopefully. All right, and then we're going to have you go over into 113 with Dr. Shake from Electrical Engineering to do that. Just a reminder: tomorrow morning we're going to have best practices with you. Catch up with me when you can after the sessions today. I think we have 2 of them already lined up. If it's new ideas that you've seen here and how you would implement them at your school, ideas that you already are implementing at your school or want to, they're the kind of topics that we're always looking for. Okay?
So there's Joe, I want to add something.
Yeah, it's interesting what you did there. So as a follow-up in the lesson, if you teach math or whatever, is to have kids construct a table, like an optimization or an amortization table.
Exactly.
And then have them pick out what are the variables that give them the that maximize it, and then have them try it. But then there's another aspect to it, because what is theoretically optimal may not be practically optimal for the human being that's actually running. It may be another cell that turns out to be optimal for a human being carrying it. So it's and have them generate the table rather than you present it.
Good.
What other examples of spectacular failure do you know about engineering?
Wasn't there
bridge.
something in Connecticut? Wasn't a stadium like an arena?
Yeah.
In a snowstorm, I don't know, the 80s, 70s?
Yeah,
collapsed?
I remember that, yeah.
Goma Bridge.
Oh, yeah, I've
They
seen
didn't
that on
pick
the
the
field.
By the way, pick out civil engineering failures, please, by the